Hello everyone. Today I will talking about my choosing global city, which is New York City. New York is one of the most famous cities in the world. And in this video, I will describe the city, explain what it is known for, and share why it is considered a global city. Question number 1. How could you describe your city? New York City is a very lively and busy place. Many people call it the city that never sleeps because there is always something happening any time of the day. The city is full of tall skyscrapers, bright lights, and streets that are always active. It has 5 main parts called Borough: Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. When you walk around the city, you see people from different countries, hear many different languages, and smell different types of food being cooked. New York has many beautiful parks, such as Central Parks, where people go to relax, walk, or enjoy nature. It is a place where you can see art, music, business, and culture all in one city. For many people, New York feels exciting, fast-paced, and full of opportunities. Question number 2. What is your city known for? New York is known for many world-famous places. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Statue of Liberty, which stands as a symbol of freedom. The Empire State Building is another popular spot where visitors can see the entire city from the top. Times Square is known for its bright screens and busy streets, especially during New Year's Eve. New York is also known for Broadway, where many famous plays and musicals are performed. The city is a center of fashion with big fashion shows and designers. It also known for its diverse food, pizza, bagels, hot dogs, and food from different countries. New York is also home to Wall Street, the center of finance in the United States. Another thing, New York is famous for its culture. Many movies, TV shows, and music videos are filmed there because the city looks modern, vibrant, and recognizable. Millions of tourists come every year just to see and experience life in New York. Third question, what makes your city a global city? New York is considered a global city for many reasons. First, it is a major center for business and finance. Many large companies and banks have their headquarters there. Wall Street affects the world economy, so what happens in New York can influence other countries. Second, New York is home to the United Nations headquarters, where leaders from different nations meet, discuss world problems, and make global decisions. This alone makes the city very important in international affairs. Third, New York is a global city because of its diverse population. People from almost every country live there. The city is filled with different languages, cultures, and traditions, making it a true melting pot of the world. New York also spreads ideas in fashion, music, film, technology, arts, and media. What becomes popular in New York often becomes popular in other parts of the world. The city also has a strong transportation system, airports that connect to hundreds of cities worldwide, and a strong influence of global culture. In conclusion, New York City is a lively, diverse, and powerful city. It is known for its famous landmark, entertainment, and culture. And because of its strong influence in business, politics, arts, and global connection, New York truly deserves to be called a global city.